Thus fundamental rights available against state or private individuals. Classification of fundamental rights. The fundamental rights as incorporated in the Indian Constitution can be classified under the following 6 groups. A. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. B. Right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22. C. Right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24. D. Right to freedom of religion, Articles 25 to 28. E. Cultural and educational rights, Articles 29 to 30. F. Right to constitutional remedies, Articles 32 to 35. The 44th Amendment has abolished the right to property as a fundamental right as guaranteed by Article 19, 1, F and Article 31 of the Constitution, and hence Article 19, 1, F and Article 31 have been omitted. Fundamental rights available against state and not against private individuals. Individual needs constitutional protection against the state. The rights which are given to the citizens by way of fundamental rights as included in Part 3 of the Constitution are a guarantee against state action as distinguished from violation of such rights from private parties. Private action is sufficiently protected by the ordinary law of land. In P. D. Shamdasani vs. Central Bank of India, AIR 1952, the petitioner, in an application under Article 32 of the Constitution, sought the protection of the court on the ground that his property right under Articles 19, 1, F and 31 were infringed by the action of another private person, the Central Bank of India. The Supreme Court dismissed the petition and held neither Article 19, 1 nor Article 31, 1 was intended to prevent wrongful individuals' acts or to provide protection against merely private conduct. The language and structure of Article 19 and its setting in Part 3 of the Constitution clearly show that the article was intended to protect those freedoms against the state action other than in the legitimate exercise of its power to regulate private rights of property by individuals is not within the purview of the articles.